In this video, I will guide you how you can make your taskbar button small and to have a more space in the taskbar panel. So how you can do that? Let's get started.
So for this, click on the search icon and type taskbar settings and click on the taskbar settings, and in the setting you will see that taskbar. Click on that, and here you need to turn on use small taskbar buttons, and if you turn it off, so you can see that the taskbar buttons have been in a large size. So you need to turn it on to make it small. This way you can get extra space over here. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.